Is there leadership? In our previous clip we defined leadership as a relationship between one who intentionally leads and one or more who are being led. By this definition we can tell whether leadership exists in certain situations. Let us look at several examples. Generally speaking, we can say that if no one is led, there is no leadership. If directives are given, but not followed, no one is led. If someone is followed without the intention of leading, no one is led. If directives are given to procure behavior that would have taken place without the directives, no one is led. If wrong directives are given intentionally and followed, followers are not led, but misled. If directives are given, but not understood, or misunderstood, and the intended behavior does take place, then this is not because of the directives, and no one is led. If given directives cannot be followed, for instance, because paths leading to the goals are not cleared, no one is led. Leadership requires transition, going from one situation to another. Without transition, no one is led.